Welcome to week 2. In this week, you will be introduced to force. Learning objectives for week 2. By the end of this topic, you should be able to 1. Define force. 2. Explain the different types of forces. Force. Force is defined as that which changes the shape, speed, or direction of a moving body. Force is strength or energy applied towards any object for physical action or any movement. Types of forces. 1. Contact force. 2. Magnetic force. 3. Electrical force. 4. Gravitational force. 5. Frictional force. Contact force. A contact force is a force applied directly to an object. It may involve pushing or pulling. Magnetic force. Magnetism is a non-contact force. Magnetism is invisible to the human eye and it can be made with useful tools and machines. Magnetism is not attracted to silver, gold, platinum, and aluminum. Electrical force. It is one of the fundamental forces of the universe. It is a force that exists between all charged particles. It is all around us. Gravitational force. This is the force by which the Earth or Moon or other massively huge objects attract another object towards them. The force of gravity is always equal to the weight of the object. Frictional force. Friction is another contact force. It can be helpful and it allows you to walk without sliding. There are 4 types of friction: sliding friction, static friction, rolling friction, and fluid friction. Advantages of friction. 1. Friction makes movement possible. If friction is totally absent, we will slip, as is sometimes the case on a polished floor. 2. We cannot fix nail in the wood or wall if there is no friction. It is friction which holds the nail. 3. A horse cannot pull a cart unless friction furnishes him a secure foothold. 4. It becomes possible to transfer one form of energy to another. 5. Objects can be piled up without slipping. 6. Brakes of vehicles work due to friction. Disadvantages of friction. 1. Friction creates more work for moving machines, which therefore consumes more fuel on rough than on smooth surfaces. 2. Friction increases wear and tear. 3. Friction makes us spend money on lubrication. 4. It always resists the motion, so extra energy is required to overcome it. 5. It decreases the life expectancy of moving parts of vehicles. Activities for week 2. Now that you have completed this topic, you can assess how well you have achieved its learning objectives by answering the following questions. Write your answers in your book and discuss them with your teacher. 1. Define force. 2. Explain the different types of force. Thank you and see you again in the next class.